I gotta tell you how to beat your DUI within the first couple minutes of your traffic stop, so you don't even need people like me. My name's John Guidry. I'm a criminal defense attorney. I've been doing this for over 30 years. I see patterns. I see things happening. I'm gonna tell you how to avoid these patterns, so you don't need to see people like me. First thing first, easy, but people don't do it. I want your license, your registration, and your insurance all in one place, clipped together over your visor, in your little thing underneath your elbow, the little center thing. Folks, do yourself a favor. I don't even care if you pause this video or stop it and never watch it again. You just take that one bit of advice, all these things together, because when I see DUIs, when I see body cams, when I see things escalate, they start with this. They start with, may I have your license, insurance, and registration? And you fumble. And the more you fumble, I know you're fumbling because you're nervous. I know you're fumbling because it's late at night, it's the DUI bewitching hour, and you're tired. It's not that you're drunk, but you're tired, and you start fumbling. This cop does not think that you're tired or had a rough day. They think the more you fumble, the more you can't find things, the more drunk you are. So we're gonna solve this problem. You are gonna beat this thing before it even starts. You're gonna have these three things together, bam, you win. All right, number two, this is very important too. I need y'all to not speculate. I need everyone to stop talking about whatever this cop asks you. And here's what is going to happen. Here's the trap. After the license, registration, insurance, the trap is, do you know why I pulled you over? This is a trap. Do not say, yes, officer, I know I was weaving. Yes, officer, I know I was speeding. Yes, I made a crazy U-turn. Yes. No, you are not going to admit to anything. There is some research which shows, which I cannot document, so it's just words flying in the air. I know, I can't back this up, but I heard it at one of my DUI conferences, so it must be true. The research was basically when you incriminate yourself about, yeah, I think I was going a little fast. Yeah, I think I was weaving a little because I was looking at my radio. When you start incriminating yourself, your risk of a DUI investigation goes through the roof. Stop it. I want no speculation, please. And thank you. Now, my third tip to get rid of this DUI before it even starts is really kind of related to what I just told you, but it's different. Every DUI I receive, like clockwork, the cop says the following: I smelled the odor of alcohol on the driver's breath. I smelled the odor of alcohol. Odor of alcohol. If you want to beat this thing up front, this is going to be hard, but this is what I need you to do. Keep it brief, keep it simple. No chitty chatty. No chatting up the officer. You're not gonna talk your way out of this. Do you know when they smell alcohol? Not the first couple words, later, okay? As you get deeper and deeper and you talk and you talk and you talk. And I can see on the body cam after you've hired me, I'm like, oh yeah, my client keeps talking, and all of a sudden, now we got the odor of alcohol. You are providing evidence that you don't even realize. You just think you're talking. I don't want you to say anything at all. And I want you to keep it short and simple. Remember I told you about the trap before? The trap is, do you know why I stopped you? The second trap, and this is my fourth tip, have you been drinking tonight? Where are you coming from? Have you been drinking? How much have you had to drink tonight? Ooh, that's a trap. Here's how you avoid that trap. I hope you remember this. I hope you didn't really turn off the video when I told you to go pack your car with the information bundled together, because that's so important. I hope you kept watching to this point, because it is very important that you say some magic words, which is be nice. I want you to be sugary sweet. Be nice to this cop. They've probably had a rough day. I want you to simply say, you know, I'm sorry, officer. I don't want to discuss my day today. I just don't. I don't want to discuss my night. So that's it. I'm sorry. I don't want to discuss my day. Period. Well, ma'am, it looks to me like you've had a few drinks. Super tactic number 3. Remember we talked about some tactics. Here's the third tactic they're going to use. This is a good one for them. And a lot of people, I watch the body cam, I'm like, oh crap, they're falling for it. Don't fall for this tactic. Here it is. He asks you, or she asks you, have you had anything to drink tonight? How much have you had to drink tonight? And you respond, I'm sorry, I don't really want to discuss my day. You know, am I free to leave? You know what the officer's gonna say then? Here's what they're gonna say. The uncomfortable silence. The awkward silence tactic. It's a winner every time. I've watched it on body cam. People like to fill the silence. So the officer's tactic is when they're not getting what they want, they shut down. They just stand there and make it awkward. Awkward silence. Keep rolling. And then guess what? Some people start blabbing Odor of alcohol comes out. Talk comes out about what might have happened. Slurred speech, blah, blah, blah. Then you're hiring somebody like me. Folks, don't fall for the awkward silence, okay? You want to beat this DUI before it even happens. You want to avoid people like me and avoid being arrested. We could talk about, well, you shouldn't drink and all that. I get all that. But these things that I'm telling you are very important. Keep them in mind. If you get a DUI here in Central Florida, I've been defending them for over 30 years. I sure hope you'll give our office a call because we can help you. And if not, I thank you for watching. You could help us by clicking some positive things, some thumbs ups and some hearts and some subscribes and follows. All those things would help us out. And I thank you for watching.